Hi everyone, my name is Justin, and for today I'm going to present about my research proposal presentation. So for the research topic is visual design in social media, and for the research problem is how does visual design engage user experience on selected social media. The research questions, there's two research questions. The first one is which design principles do the visual graphic designers consider when creating content to fit the social media platforms? And the second one is what are the most effective visual design strategies for improving user satisfaction in social media? The research objectives, there's two research objectives. The first one is to understand how visual graphic designers think often new ways to change their work based on what users want and the latest trends on social media. The second one is to identify the key visual design elements that contribute to social media engagement. There's three key literature, which the first one is design in visual communication, and then user interface design for Instagram social media app interaction, and the third one is research on the construction strategy of visual image design at the brand aging stage. The first critical review is about design in visual communication. So the article talks about how technology and society have changed visual communication, especially graphic design. The study shows that visual communication is now more important, especially in advertising and social media, and is used everywhere in daily life. The strengths, the first one is the article is devoted to the fact that people have been using pictures in order to convey an idea for centuries, starting from early cave paintings. Second one, it presents good examples that people can and commonly use in the actual world, such as poster, magazines, and such like. The third one is the article goes ahead and gives a description of other issues which indicate that these signs are busy or confusing. The weaknesses, the first one is one of the significant problems of the present times is advocating and the digital platform social media regarding design, which the article doesn't address. The second one, although it refers to visual clutter, the article doesn't give enough information to designers on how to eradicate the problem. The second critical review is about user interface design for Instagram social media app interaction. This research analyzed Instagram's UI design, focusing on factors like navigability, aesthetic coherence, and user satisfaction. It highlights area for improvements, such as screen size adaptability and more personalization options. The findings offer insight for improving social media interface designs. The strengths, the first one is the following article describes how Instagram is easy to use and enjoyable for the audiences. We hear about specific aspects which are, for example, about the simplicity of its layout, clear navigation, and easily identifiable icons. Second one is the features of the design, such as a dark mode and responsiveness of the design, makes users happy and interested, according to the study. The weaknesses, the first one, the study tends to lack sufficient facts, figures, quoted statistic data, or surveys result, thus making its finding less convincing. Second one, the article doesn't compare Instagram's designs to other social media apps, so it is hard to see how it is different or better. The third critical review is about research on the construction strategy of visual image design at the brand aging stage. This article explores how visual design can refresh a brand during its development. It shows that improving visual elements can strengthen brand equity and the connection between the brand and its consumers. By updating old visual and incorporating new elements from other fields, a brand can be revitalized and expand its influence. The strengths are the article effectively shows how visual design impacts aging brands, using examples like Burberry and Coca-Cola to illustrate successful design changes. Second one, it offers useful advice for brand managers and designers on creating or redesigning Instagram design system. The third one is the article support its point with references to other research. The weaknesses, there is no discussion of the problems with altering a brand's image, including the fact that the current customers base might be confused. Second one, according to the article, there is always a possibility where redesigns are helpful, but minor changes can do the trick for some brand. The methodology, I use survey. So, surveys can show how design affects people enjoyment of social media like Instagram. Simple question about colors, layout, styles can help us learn what makes social media fun and easy to use. The justification, the the research explores how visual designs like colors, layouts affect users. Surveys are quick, reach many people, and show what they like or dislike, offering useful insights into social media design. So the for the selected social media, I use Instagram. So Instagram is an app for sharing photos and videos. Users can follow each other's, comment, like, tag, and message. It uses visual for branding, marketing, and promotions to keep user engaged. So sampling and data collection. First one is survey design. The survey uses simple question to talk about Instagram's designs like colors, layout, styles. It also asks how these designs make user feel and if they make Instagram easy to use. Questions include multiple choice, ratings, and open-ended answers to understand what people like or dislike. The participants, the survey will target Instagram's users aged 18 until 35 since they use social media often and understand it well. I aim to collect about 50 and to 100 response from people with diverse view and experience to understand their thoughts on Instagram's design. This is the data analysis. The first topic is visual design engagement. It's about the design of posts and profiles on Instagram is important to use. So some people think design is very important, and many of them think it's somewhat important, and few people think it not matter. This means most people care about the design, but not all think it must be perfect. So for the question, uh, for the second statement, is about the most attention-grabbing elements Instagram posts vary for users. So most of them like about the photos and videos, and layout, layout and design style, and about the colors. Fonts are liked by fewer people. It shows that pictures and style matter for more for style matter most for attention, not the text. So the third statement about good visual design plays a role in making Instagram easier to use. So in conclusion, it shows people not agree if design make Instagram better or not. So uh start with the second topic about design elements. The first pie chart is about users have preference about for certain color schemes on Instagram. So many people like about neutral colors. Second choice is soft and pastel colors, and bright colors, and all mixed colors are less like. This means people like calm, simple colors better. Second statement about clear and readable text is important for posts. So many people think clear text is somewhat important, and some of them think it very important, but only few of them think it not important. This shows people care about reading posts, but some think other things matter more. So for the third statement is about layout. So for as you can see from the chart, it's showing it is showing how post layout matters. Almost half of them say it matters a little. Some of them say layout matters a lot, but 22.6% think it not matter. This means layout important, but not most important thing. So for the third topic is about user experience. We talk about layout for now. Many people say design doesn't affect their time on Instagram. Some people say design does affect their time, and others are not sure. It shows people have mixed opinions about design and how much it matters for staying longer. The second chart is about Instagram designs play a key role in helping users understand a brand identity. Most people say designs help them understand brands a little. Some people say designs help them a lot, but others say designs don't help. It shows designs are helpful, but not for everyone. Second pie chart is about certain types of posts to help user recognize a brand quickly. So most of them say unique logo or creative fun content make them recognize brand fast. Others say consistent colors and style help too. This shows fun, unique posts and designs are better for people to remember brands. So for the last topic is about trends and feedback. So uh, this statement is about users decide if an Instagram design is good based on its overall appeal and ease of use. So people think good Instagram design means consistent colors and layout. Many say high quality pictures, readable fonts, and matching colors are important. Some says design must follow trends and fit brand identity. People like when design looks clean and everyone can recognize easily. And the second statement is about what Instagram need to change in the future. So people give many ideas for improving Instagram. Some say need sustainable design and authentic city over perfection. Others want personalized features with AI or better accessibility. Some say need customizable layouts for Explorer page, and few people want fun things like AR or motion graphics. Some say Instagram is already good, no need to change. So, as we come up to the conclusion, so for the conclusion, Instagram's designs alone doesn't make it the center of social lives, but good design help grabs attention and make it easy to use. Content and messaging are just as important for engagement. People want new features and design in the application, including layouts, augmented reality, and other features in the application to make them more appealing. So, this is the references, and thank you for listening.